Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how to set a lineup in GameChanger. So if you're managing a team and want to create your batting order or player position, just follow along. First, open the GameChanger app and select your team. Next, go to your upcoming game or schedule section. After that, open the game details and find the lineup option. Now add your players and arrange them in the order you want them to appear. You can set batting positions, assign field position, and make changes depending on your game plan. And if you need to change a player's position, simply tap on their name and update the lineup. After finishing, save your changes, and your lineup will now be available for the game and can be used during scoring. You can also adjust the lineup later if players change or substitutions happen. So that was how to set a lineup in GameChanger. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.